Hello, today we will unbox and check out Tronsmart T6 Plus portable Bluetooth speaker. Some time ago we checked out Tronsmart T2 Plus Bluetooth speaker that surprised us with its amazing features and size. So here we got a slightly damaged package thanks to courier. Nothing serious but still not very cash money. SoundPulse technology and it's patented. Cool! Finally something new. 40 watts maximum power, that's actually a lot. 15 hours working time. 2 passive radiators. Can connect 2 speakers together. Well, that's actually very useful. A rotating knob, a rare thing for Bluetooth speakers. Equalizer effect, built-in power bank. Okay, that's very epic. And 3.5mm audio jack. Those would be the main things we see on the box. Okay, enough reading theory paper, let's practice some unboxing. Speaker is not light, that's nice. Additionally, we see the charging cable and 3.5mm audio cable. The charging cable is USB Type-C. That means there won't be any problems in the future with that. Cable length is also quite enough. JBL usually makes their cable short as a finger. The audio cable also has enough length, no problem with that. And of course we can't escape these manual papers, warranty card, terms of service, and some details about Tronsmart SoundPulse technology. Then of course the manual itself. It may come in handy because there are a lot of buttons on this speaker. Here's the full information about what can be found on the speaker and also detailed specifications. And of course some additional information that we will never read. Well, this will totally be useful. Basic information about multifunctional wheel on the edge of the speaker. And on the other side information on how to connect and about 3 equalizer settings. This is the first speaker I see with equalizer presets. Do you know anything similar to this? If you know, then leave some details about that speaker in the comments section. Let's check out speaker itself. It's bigger than I thought at first, also pleasantly heavy. I'm starting to like this multifunctional wheel already. It's quite relaxing. There may be a lot of buttons, but it's easy to find out what each button does. Also they're pleasant to touch. This speaker not only knows how to play music from Bluetooth and 3.5mm aux, but also how to play your favorite playlist from a memory card. I will let you to determine how it sounds by uploading some sound tests where sound is compared to other speakers. First impressions are amazing. You could say that Tronsmart T6 Plus is like a rocket launcher. It's pretty heavy, good construction quality and good features. Maybe one of my viewers already has one of these and can share their impressions in the comment section. Make sure to click like and subscribe so we can meet in the sound test video where you will hear how this speaker sounds like and you'll be able to leave your impressions. Thanks and stay healthy.